Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin with access and funds. You must be CEO or VIP to change the Securoserv name. Once confirmed, open the interaction menu and go straight to organization settings. You do this because only leaders can edit corporate details, and having at least $1,000 avoids interruption if the system prompts for a fee. Now choose the Rename or Edit Organization option. Follow prompts to reach the name field. Make sure your controller or keyboard inputs are responsive before typing. Once in the name field, enter your new Securoserv name carefully. This is the visible brand for clients and associates. Type with correct capitalization and spacing, because once saved you may need to repeat steps to correct mistakes. If the platform enforces filters, remove prohibited terms or extra symbols. That's why validation can fail. After typing, use the preview or confirm step to verify appearance and character count. If everything looks right, submit to apply the change. You finalize by confirming the rename and watching the organization header update. This completes the change process. If the new name does not show, relog or clear cache, because propagation delays or local caches often cause stale displays. Make sure to wait a few minutes before retrying and do not spam rename attempts. That can trigger temporary blocks. If errors continue, capture screenshots of messages and contact support. Provide timestamps so they can trace server-side validation and resolve it quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.